Oh, you did? Not yet. Oh, you're still looking? Okay. What do you think? You found it?
Yeah.
So what are you going to do now?
Watch it.
You're going to watch it?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it a good one? Is it a good show? Does Jack want to play Snow White?
Yeah.
I don't know. Jack's gonna sit in his chair. Jack's busy watching The Wiggles.